Hello everyone, my name is Miss Sharon Roshan, teacher from Trinity International School. So today we'll be learning chapter 1, common and proper noun. Common and proper noun. So what is exactly common and proper noun? Common noun and proper noun क्या होता है? Do you know? Nouns are words that name. Nouns वो नाम है जो वर्ड्स के वो नाम है विच नेम्स पीपल, प्लेसेस, एनिमल्स, थिंग्स, आइडियाज, इमोशंस. सो ये डिफरेंट टाइप्स के नाउन हैं. दोज आर डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ नाउन्स. सो व्हाट आर कॉमन नाउन्स? कॉमन नाउन्स आर यूज्ड फॉर पीपल, एनिमल, प्लेसेस और थिंग्स ऑफ द सेम काइंड. मतलब सेम काइंड का जो रहता है उसको हम कॉमन नाउन यूज़ करते हैं, जैसे कि कप, हॉर्स, पेंसिल, पैरेट, कंप्यूटर. सो ये सारी कॉमन चीज़ें हैं, कॉमन नाउन है. वेयर डू वी यूज़ प्रॉपर नाउन? प्रॉपर नाउन इज अ स्पेशल नेम ऑफ अ पीपल. व्हाट इज अ प्रॉपर नाउन? प्रॉपर नाउन इज अ स्पेशल नेम ऑफ अ पीपल, एनिमल, प्लेसेस, ऑब्जेक्ट्स एंड इवेंट्स. So they always begin with a capital letter. Proper noun is always begin with a capital letter. So they always begin with a capital letter like Sunday, Rima, Diwali, May. So you can see there is a, as you can see here, so it is capital letter is being used, right? So now there are 15 nouns in the grid. Circle them and write them in the blanks. There are 15 nouns here. Okay, first one is watch. First one is watch. It's given here. Second, garden. Garden. You can see garden. Third, book. B-O-O-K, book. Fourth, wait. W-A-I-T, wait. All these are, what are these? Nouns. Okay, wait, then Sunday, school, beer, beach, May. Okay, all you have to, बाकी का जो 15 है और 5 जो है वो आपको खुद को ढूंढना है. ठीक है. और नेक्स्ट पेज में यू कैन सी देयर इज अ space given you to write. Okay, next, underline the proper noun in the given sentences and rewrite them correctly. You have to underline the proper noun and then you have to rewrite them correctly. So Akhil and I traveled to Jaipur by train. Akhil and I traveled to Jaipur by train. So which is the proper noun here? This is the proper noun. So here it is given small letter, but what I told you is proper noun is always, it starts with capital letter. So Akhil and I travel to Jaipur by train. Next, my cousins Ravi will arrive from New York in July. My cousin Ravi will arrive from New York in July. My cousin Ravi. So here you have to use a capital letter. Ravi will arrive from New York in July. Okay, so this is how you have to write the proper nouns. Okay, next, Write proper nouns in the following common nouns. So, countries and rivers. Okay, we have to write countries and rivers. First is Nepal, Nile. Second, write India, Ganga, China, Yamuna, Sri Lanka, Saraswati. So what is of Pakistan? Do you know what is of Pakistan? So you can write even this: Australia, Missouri, or you can say Mysore. Okay, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, मैसूरी, या फिर आप लिख सकते हो जापान, इंडस. कैन राइट जापान, इंडस. सो नेक्स्ट देयर इज अ कार्टून कैरेक्टर्स गिवन हियर. कार्टून कैरेक्टर्स एंड बुक्स. So the first one you write. The first one is Mickey Mouse and the book is The Little Prince. So you write in the B, Bugs Bunny. Bugs Bunny is Charlotte's Web. Okay. Third is Popeye the Hobbit. Fourth is Fred Flintstone. Matilda. Fourth is Bart. Simpson. The Giving Tree. Next is filling the blanks, okay, with the proper nouns. So first is Wednesday comes between Tuesday and Thursday. Tuesday and Thursday. Okay. What is next? River Nile flows through Delhi. River Nile flows through Delhi. तो river Yamuna flows through Delhi. July is the 7th month of the year. The Eiffel Tower is in Paris. Ram Nath Kovind is the President of India. Jesus Christ's birthday is celebrated as Christmas. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Ravana kidnapped Sita from the forest. We celebrate Republic Day in the month of January. Holi is also known as the festival of colors. The novel The Witches was written by Roald Dahl. I'll write once again, Roald Dahl. Okay. The Minar is located in the city of Hyderabad. Bhubaneswar is the capital of Odisha. My mother name is, that I'm not going to tell you. You have to write your own mother name, okay?